Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into a Google Sheet, and I will show you how you can get all the information of your leads, like the first name, last name, company name, LinkedIn URL, and of course, the verified emails of your leads. And so for that, we need to go on my computer. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I've made a search, so I want to target people who are head of marketing based in New York, and I want to target small companies, so company headcount between 11 to 50 people. And then on the right, you see my results. So you see that I have people who are head of marketing in New York. So that's perfect. And now, if you want to export these people into a Google Sheet, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and that's why you need to use a third-party tool like Give Me Leads to have a button like this one, Extract Leads. So if you want to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into Google Sheet, you can try for free Give Me Leads. So all you need to do is to go on givemeleads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description. Then on this page, you click on Start for free. And now here you can create your account. So if you want, you can sign up with Google or with email password. Then you need to install the Chrome extension. So for that, very easy, you click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once you install the Chrome extension, you will see this button on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So Extract Leads. So it's from Give Me Leads. And now, once you are happy with the search and you want to export these people, all you need to do is to click here on Extract Leads. Then you will be redirected to your Give Me Leads account. Here you can give the number of people you want to export. So here you see that for this search, we have a bit more than 400 leads. So let's say for this tutorial that I want to export 100 people. Then I can say that I want the emails of these people. And then I click on Export Leads. And now I just need to wait a little bit. I will just rename my export with the filters I've used on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I target people who are head of marketing in New York, and the company headcount is between 11 to 50 people. And now I just need to wait a little bit. All right, so as you can see, my export is done. And now if I want to see my list of leads in Google Sheet, I just need to click here and then open in Sheets. So here is my list of leads. So if I scroll, you see that I have 100 leads. Perfect. On top, you have all the information you need to reach out to your leads. So you have the first name, last name, profile picture. Not very useful, but always good to have that. You have the company name, job title, headline, LinkedIn URL, and the emails of your leads. And here you have the details of these emails. So when it's verified, it means that it's completely safe for your deliverability to send a cold email to the lead. So when you export your leads with Give Me Leads, we do two things. First, we clean the data. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with people with a rocket emoji at the end. So you don't have Jack with a rocket emoji like this. So if you want to say hi first name in your cold email or LinkedIn message, you don't have any problems. So with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to clean the data. And now the second thing we do is to make sure that each lead perfectly matches all your filters. So for that, on the left, you see that we have two columns, so matches filters and invalid reason. So if it's like this, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you will see that it will be different at the end. Yeah, here we have people with a wrong job title, for example. And if we check the job title, we have angel investor, head of growth marketing, head of provider marketing, head of health marketing. So you see that we don't have people who are exactly head of marketing. And now what you can do with this feature is just decide to remove all these people, or if you want, what you can do is to decide to keep some people if they are relevant. So for this tutorial, let's say that I want to remove all these people. And now I know that with this list, I only have people who are head of marketing in the right company size. So once you have your list of leads, the next step is to import it in your favorite outreach tool. So if you want to do that, it's very easy. You go here in File, then Download, and download CSV. And then the next step is to upload this CSV file in your favorite outreach tool. So in my case, because I use Instantly, it's a bit different. So let's go here on Instantly. Then if I want to create a campaign, I click here on Add New. Then let's click on Continue. And now if I want to add some leads, you see that I have the choice. So if I want, I can upload my CSV file. But what's interesting with Instantly is that we can use Google Sheets directly. So let's click on it. And now we need to paste the Google Sheet link. So for that, we go back on our Google Sheet. Then I click on Share. Then Copy Link. Now let's go back to Instantly and paste the link. And then I click on Import Emails. Then what we need to do is to map the columns that we have in our list of leads. So these columns with the Instantly variables. So make sure that you have first name with first name because you want to say hi first name in your cold email or in your LinkedIn message. And make sure that you have LinkedIn URL if you want to send LinkedIn messages and emails. Then we scroll, upload all, okay. And now we can build our sequence. And if I go here in leads, you see that I have the list of leads coming from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So with this process, you can easily export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator by using Give Me Leads. And at the end, you have a list of leads directly in Google Sheet. And with this Google Sheet, you can start sending cold emails or LinkedIn messages. So if you want to easily export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into a Google Sheet like this one, you can try for free Give Me Leads. And so for that, you just need to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Instantly.ai to send cold emails, you just need to click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.